Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. You guys, as promised, here is the tutorial on how to do this beautiful pride slash mermaid look. I absolutely loved this palette. It is the iHeartRevolution Elf palette. You guys, there is 4 different eyeshadow palettes in here. Like, wow. So it comes, like, it's hard to show it to you guys. There's so much in here. One. Try again, Sunny. 1, 2. This is the one I used. So 3 and 4. All together in one. Slap it down. Here's your book. There we go. This is going to be an amazing traveling palette. You know, you got your bright colors, your nudie colors, your dark colors, all in one. There's 4 freaking eyeshadow palettes in here. And it's on sale over on iHeartRevolution right now. And I will leave my affiliate link down in the description for you guys. Again, here is the finished look. And if you'd like to see how I got it, and I'll let you know what all the other makeup is I got on this gorgeous face of mine, you know what to do. I'll see you guys soon. All right, loves. Yeah, I did the whole kit and caboodle for you guys. To finish everything off, I used my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I used my Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. Now, in the summertime, I get really dark, you guys, just naturally dark. I'm a 16th Cherokee. So I just used a little dab of this, as you've seen, and blended it all in, and there we go. As you've seen, I used my Maracula Miracle Mist from Tarte to wet my sponge. It is the finishing setting spray. I used the OMFG Cake Liner underneath here. The purple and the pink, a little goes a very long way with this. Make sure when you go to put it back, you leave the cap off, allow this to dry, and then put your cap back on and put it up for storage. I used my M2U NYC Mascara. OMFG Cosmetics Contour Palette. This is it's supposed to be a bronzer. It's more like I want to say a setting powder shade over here. I used the contour shade. Again, OMFG Cosmetics Red Hot Lipstick. I have on the Beauty Creations eyelashes. This is number... What is that number? I can't see it, you guys. Everything is so stinking small. 82. These are number 82 on these little eyeballs here. And then I used my Gorman Girl Cosmetics highlighter. There are so many different shades in here, and you guys, these shades are true to color. This is going to come off a little yellow. This is going to be white. This will be a goldy tanny copper shade, and this, as you've seen, is the pink shade that I put on. And then I finished it off with the lip gloss that I had somewhere. Let me find it. Be right back. I found it. The lip gloss that I got in the iHeartRevolution sale. This is from the e.l.f. collection. So cute. It's pink and purples and greens in there. Just so cute. And it looked gorgeous on top of the red heart from OMFG Cosmetics. Any affiliate links, discount codes that I have for any of this makeup, you guys, I'll leave it down in the description for you guys. It's all affordable quality makeup. I absolutely loved every bit of it. I will put close-ups right there and there for you guys. Isn't this so stinking cute? I love it. I love it so very, very much. All right, loves, that is all. Your girl will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.